Hi there, this is Fasi.
And I'm Mike.
Today we're going to talk about new release V2 of H10 Optic by Vanquish. Vanquish is one of Mike's favorite brand. He's going to mostly talk about it. But before we start the video, please subscribe and press the bell icon for keeping update, with all the new videos coming up and all the new releases. We're going to talk about them. So it also helps us, our channel, when you subscribe it.
Yeah.
All right. So now let's get back to H10 Optic. Mike.
So yeah, this is the V2 ready to run optic from Vanquish. This is brushless now. It comes with a Fusion SE 1800 kV motor. And it comes with a 2.2-inch wheels and tires. These are the Toyo Open Country. They're 4.9s, so they're not like a huge 2.2. It's kind of like a shrunk down 2.2 in the red compound. So the red compound, it's their ultra soft, I believe. It's nice for the cooler days, but here in the south, we might need some white compound, which is their soft. It's like kind of equivalent to the Proline G8 compound, but it's still very nice tires. They're super sticky. So this is going to perform significantly better than the V1. It does have, like I said, the 2.2s, and it is now brushless, Vanquish first brushless ready to run vehicle. It also comes equipped with the new hardware on the shocks. The new it's kind of like a gray color. If you guys ever buy recently Vanquish ready to runs or kits, you'll notice that they made a change from black plastic to a gray plastic. They redid all their shock plastic because they were kind of notoriously known to leak. So they redid all of their shock hardware. They made them a little bit better. So yeah, it comes with the updated shocks. This new Sparko livery, which is really nice. It's kind of like a gray. Yeah, it's like a gray off-white a little bit color. With the blue accents. It looks really, really cool. So yeah, I wanted to show off the new one, and we'll compare it to the previous models.
All right. One more question. Mm-hmm. You forgot to mention the KVs on the motor.
Yeah, I said 1800. 1800 kV. I believe they make a lower kV in the SE. The SE it's like the more affordable option. I believe it's like 120 or 110. But they make an 1800 and I believe a 1200. Well, this comes with the 1800. So capable of 3S. You can run a 3S in this thing. It'll run great. And the wiring job is actually really nice. They put the little power button right here. That's actually where I have mine.
Oh, nice.
So you don't got to take off the doors or anything. But yeah, fully ready to run. This thing's very, very, very nice. It's nice to see them updating things. I didn't expect for them to update the electronics. But it's very cool to see them offering brushless vehicles now.
Yeah, I can see it's beautiful.
Yeah.
Never owned a Vanquish, but we do sell them.
Yeah, you're due. This could be your first one.
I can see all the details and everything. It's really nice, guys. If you're looking for one, we do have them in stock, and it's also available for online shipping and also in store. Now we're gonna switch it over to V1 and V2 side by side.
Yeah.
So now we're gonna do the side by side comparison with the V1 and V2. That's Mike's. I think he put a lot of upgrades to it too.
Yeah, it's a bunch of upgrades. What I actually wanted to see is the side-by-side, because this is considered a 4.9 and the Trepidors are also considered a 4.9, but they look kind of smaller.
Yeah,
they are smaller. Maybe it's not maybe Proline's lying about the size of their tires. But yeah, these are the Trepidors. So these are a little bit bigger. This is the G8 compound. It's a little bit more firm. I do have the dual stage foams in here. This just has a single stage foam. But yeah, tons of upgrades you could do. As you guys know, if you do the H10 Optic kits, it's a mystery panel type deal. So you don't know what body panels you're going to get. This one's my favorite one. I ended up ordering this one just to swap them out, but they come in about 6 different colors. You do have the option to possibly get a carbon fiber body panel, which looks really, really nice. They resell for a lot. If you guys want to resell them, you can make a lot of your money back. But
so this one is the kit.
This is the kit version. It's basically the same thing as the ready to run version. The ready to run versions now, they come with the machined ring and pinions on the axles. the very, very first version of the H10 Optic, they did not. They were sintered. So, but the new Optic, I believe they're going to start they're going to still make the black one. The black one ready to run. They'll still produce that one. This is the new Sparko, because the old blue one was Sparko. So they'll have the older black one and this one available. They're all gonna have machined axle gears. The kit, though, it does come with like a better transmission. It comes with the machined gears, and it comes with the aluminum transmission posts, and I believe the aluminum motor mount, if I'm not mistaken. Now this is mine. Like I said, it's heavily modified. I do have the black plastic shocks because it's an older kit.
This one's coming with the gray one.
Yeah, but and then these come with the hard anodized shock bodies. It's like a gray color. These are like the regular shock bodies, more like of a silver anodized color. But yeah, just tons of upgrades. It's got the aluminum axles. I'll get some close-ups. Close-ups here. I have the H10 brass knuckles here. The little hydro steering thing I got upgraded. If you guys do install the Incision drive shafts on an H10, keep in mind that you do have to flip the drive shafts. The front will go in the back, and the back will go in the front. So yeah, keep that in mind. The drive shaft will fall out if you do it the other way. I do have the Mias light bars. I got the one in the front, got the one in the back. So tons of options you could do these things. I don't have a driver in there. I'm in the process of painting a driver. That'll get thrown in there to replace that guy. But yeah, that'll look pretty cool. So
guys, whatever upgrades he has, they're all sold at Nissan Racing.
Yeah, and if you're local, if you do buy the parts and accessories, if you buy everything from us, we can install it for free. We don't charge labor on that. So yeah, if you guys don't want to deal with buying, let's say you buy the axles or you buy the knuckles and you don't have time to put them on, bring them in and we can do it for you. We'll be more than happy to do that.
Yeah, but we won't build the kit for you.
Yeah, we won't. Yeah, the kit we can, but there is a service fee. But yeah, as far as like little accessories here and there, we can knock it out pretty quick.
Yeah, that's one of the Nissan Racing thing, that we do not charge labor to our customers at all. Like all our local customers get free service for life on all electric cars, not the Nitro. Now, are we gonna compare it with Origin?
We're gonna show it compared to one more product. Let's check it out.
All right. The next one we wanna do the comparison. It's gonna be the Origin. I think the starting price is almost how much?
$3,500.
The starting price is $3,500.
Yeah, so this is a limited edition release from Vanquish. I'm not sure how many they're gonna make. I've heard 1,000. I've heard 2,000. They are numbered. The back of the chassis have a serial number on them. You do get a what are they called? Like not a serial number, like with the. When you buy, the certificate of authenticity, but it's like the title. You get a title. It looks very cool. You could get your name on it and stuff. So this is a lot of people thinks it looks, it's the same, but it's a different. The sides are different from the cage, and obviously the body panels are different. Everything is anodized. This is all CNC'd aluminum and anodized, so it's customized. You could get any color body panels, you could get any color cage. The cage does come pre-assembled, but it's a kit, so that's not ready to run with electronics. That's the price for just the vehicle. But yeah, it is very nice. The axles, they're similar. The front is similar to the ones you can buy. The rear, it's a little bit different. I'll get a close up, but I could just show it right now. The rear on this H10 Origin, it comes with little weld lines.
Oh, nice.
So it's very, very, very fine detail. You could kind of see, I don't know if you can see those little weld lines right there.
Yeah. So
that only comes with the Origin axle. So you can get these on the Vanquish site. They do retail for $3,500. And like I said, you could choose any color body panel you want. The color axles are clear or black, and the cage you could get any color you want. But yeah, just as far as showing a size comparison, everything side by side, it's more or less all the same size, same wheelbase. They use all the same links. But yeah, different ways to set up these vehicles, different things you can do. Again, this is probably my favorite brand of RC cars, and there's so much you could do to them. They're all CNC'd in Sacramento, so it's American made stuff. So it's really, really good quality stuff.
All right, guys, this was the comparison between three cars. Like the Origin, of course, it's price wise, like it's a little bit high rent, like 3,500 starting price, and then it goes up. And once these ones are discontinued, they go for crazy money. And that's all for today. And I hope you like our videos. Please leave us comments if something we misspoke or we did not give enough information. If you still have questions, please ask in the comments. Thank you very much. If you own any of them, please share your photo too. Thank you. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Do you have anything?
Yeah, just post a photo of your Origins, guys. Want to check them out, or sorry, the Optics, or if you have an Origin, post a photo of that. We'd love to check them out. And yeah, I think that's everything. We got everything on the website. All the upgrades we have in stock. Check it out. Vanquish, they do run out of inventory on products fairly quickly. So if they do run out, run over to our site, check it out. We probably have it in stock. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you. Go Spurs.
Bye.
All right.